Hello, in this video I would like to introduce you to Javalin, which is my favorite micro framework. So what is Javalin? Javalin is simple web framework for Java and Kotlin. Here I'm at the Javalin website that you can access at javalin.io, and I recommend you do. And in this video I will be writing a Hello World application in Javalin that we actually have written here. So if you're new to all of this, I will just show you how to get it running in IntelliJ. So first of all, why Javalin? Why I like Javalin so much? Well, they make a very good case on the website. It's incredibly simple, which is always great. It's lightweight, is in active development, and maintainers are active on Twitter, so you can talk to them. You have a choice between Java and Kotlin, which is great. It's flexible and it's good for education, so I think that comes hand in hand with just the simplicity of it. So what are we going to do? We're going to start new Maven application in IntelliJ, which you can download the IntelliJ Community Edition for free, and we're going to get Javalin dependency. So I'll copy paste that already, and let's get started. So let's create new project. We'll be using Maven here. Next, group ID, let's go with com.e for developer, and artifact ID, let's call it Javalin, or let's call it Hello Javalin. Next, I'm happy with that. Okay, great. So we have our POM file and our project structure. So what we're going to do is to add dependencies, and as you've seen, I've copy pasted that Javalin dependency. I'll enable auto import here of dependencies in my IntelliJ. So hopefully that should resolve. Yes, we have Javalin. That's great. So now let's get it started. So we need to create our main class. We'll call it Hello Javalin, and we'll need the main method like you normally do in Java, public static void main string args. So that's just the standard Java boilerplate for you. And then Javalin app equals, well, I'll import the dependency first. Now we have it in our Maven file, so it works. Javalin.create.start, and let's use the port 777. And now we can, what we're defining here is the path to our hello world text. So we're going to write a lambda here. Hello Javalin. Need to set the language level in my IntelliJ appropriately. So that's just IntelliJ problem. You can press always Alt Enter to do that, or you can do the same thing in your project settings. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start that Javalin project here, and we quickly see one issue here with SLF for J missing, but again the documentation is very clear that you can add that to have a prettier logging. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's stop it and let's start it again. because we don't want any error messages. That would have worked, by the way, but okay, great. So it says that it's listening on the port 777. Let's see if it really is. So local host 777. Hello Javelin. Great. So as you can see, this worked, and yeah, you have your hello world in Javelin. In future videos, I will show you how to basically work with Javelin. If you're impatient, you can of course check out their official documentation, which is excellent. But if you want to see it in anger, then stay tuned for the future videos. Thank you.